I'm making a workbench top. I want to be able to see if it's twisted. After using a router and router sled to level the top and sanding to ensure that it's smooth and flat. Hi, I'm Spencer, and today I'm making winding sticks. Winding sticks is a tool that amplifies the effects of twist or wind in lumber. It looks like the winding sticks work. The table doesn't seem to be warped or twisted, because if it was, we would have seen an offset between the front stick and the back stick, and we would have seen it, the twist in it. I didn't see any twists, so I guess we're good. And that's how you make and use winding sticks. Hope you enjoyed watching. If you want to see more videos, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button.